Alright, hey guys. So today, check it out. Look at this cool Oxyshred I found at the store the other day. It is Slimer from Ghostbusters. Ghostbusters is like one of my favorite series. So I'm really excited to try this. And that can is super cool. That's a straight 10. That's very cool. Sorry if I sound weird, I just woke up. I have to get ready for a class. So this is gonna be a quick video, but let's crack open this. I also got another one I'll be reviewing soon. It's also Ghostbusters. This one, the can is just really cool. Smell? Kind of smells like pineapple juice. I do like pineapple juice a lot, and the color is clear, I think. Oh, it's a little green. All right, 3, 2, 1. That's good. This brand makes really good flavors. I had their gummy worm flavor. That was a straight 10. I give this like an 8.5. Not bad. Yeah, an 8.5 for sure. Here's the overall look. Stay tuned for the next one. It's another Ghostbusters flavor. I don't know if this was for their newer movie and they just stocked these in the store or if they always have them, but if you see them, definitely worth a try. I'm mainly for the can. It's definitely a cool can. But yeah guys, that is it for today's video. Stay tuned for the next one, and yeah, cheers.